Shenzhen Jiayu Mechatronic Co Limited is a high-tech enterprise with multiple invention patents and software copyrights such as servo drive and channel gate control technology. Jiayu is committed to the R&D, production, sales and pre-sales and after-sales service of the core module of the automatic gate control movement. It is a main module supplier in the domestic gate control industry and provides professional product solutions for customers. In the application field of security gate control gate equipment, logic and control technology for the gate movement module, the self-developed and manufactured electronic control module for pedestrian passage gates and vehicle barrier gates have covered customers in various industries such as high-speed rail stations, subway stations, airports, ports, highways, etc. group. And the products are localized and the core technology is independently controllable. Since its establishment, our company has won the recognition and support of our customers by virtue of excellent quality, honest service. Now the factory has passed the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification. In the future, the company will focus more on the improvement of product performance and quality and continue to build the top brand of electronic control of channel gates. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.